Save a few of your flower pots this summer to make this adorable garden friend. To start this project, I want to paint the large saucer green. I also want to cover the 4 small clay pots in the same green paint. Now that the paint is dry, I want to add some spots. Now that all the pots have their glue, I can lay the large saucer right on top of them. The last thing I need to do now is to glue the little wood pieces onto the saucer.
You're going to need some bricks. I'm using folk art chalk paint in the color cashmere, and I'm painting the top skinny side as well as one skinny side of the brick. Now that all of the bricks are dry, it's time to paint the rest of the sides. I grabbed a permanent marker in the color black and drew stripes on the top skinny side. Now it was time to decorate the binder. So I grabbed a variety of permanent markers in a variety of colors and drew some designs.
I found this piece of dryer venting at the reuse store. I'm going to start by slicing it down the middle. I'm going to go ahead and cut off a section. With this end cut off, I want to flatten it out. I want to turn them into wings. I'm going to make 2 different sizes. I'm going to lightly brush on some blue paint to the ends, some sage green to the middles, and then some cream paint to the tips. I'm going to do both sides of the spindle. I'm going to add some sage green. I'm going to cover the entire spindle now with this pearl glaze. I'm just going to use some small nails and a hammer to hold all 4 wings in place. The final thing I need to do is attach a small head. Picked up 3 of these styrofoam balls when I was at the dollar store, and I'm going to put one of these sticks in each of the balls. And there we go, it's as easy as that. So I want to go ahead and paint each of these balls. And I'm going to cover this in glue first. I've got a whole bunch of different colors of glitter here that I just picked up at the dollar store. Just lightly smush it in there. So I'm going to take that glued side and just start rolling it. And I'm going to cover this ball with these beautiful glass rocks. Give them a little spray with a clear top coat.